Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the product showcase mode on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing this menu button. Then we're going to go to the shooting section, so the section with the red camera icon. Then scroll all the way down to the shooting option section and select product SC set. And if you want the product showcase mode to be enabled, select on. And now once we exit out of the settings, your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.